Okay, this video we're going to talk about pointers in C++. So pointer in C++ is one of those one of the more confusing topic in programming. The reason why is because it deals with memory directly. So here at the main function, we have a int variable which is initialized as 20, and then we have a pointer variable which points to an integer at the let's line 7. But the pointer is also declared as the location of var. So this percent, n% and var is the location variable. And if we run this program, we should see the value of each of them. So as you see right here, the value of var variable is 20, which is shown here right here. And we see this is the variable, the location of the variable, the value of the location, which is see out as IP. IP is the location of the pointer variable. And then if you go down there, the location, the pointer of location, star IP is the value right here, and star nth var is also 20. And the reason why is that IP is actually equal to n% var. So all I have to do is to replace IP and var. And if I do kind of like a different value here, it should see give you the value of the pointer. Let me see if it's working. Okay, actually it's not working. We get an error message if we do double n%, because it's here it says that expression must be an L value or a function designator. So it's not gonna work when we ask to n%, but it will work if you put. Oh, actually, I made a mistake. It should work now. Okay, let me see. Okay, it's still an issue, but yeah. So I think that was just a good experiment. Thank you so much.